Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. This is the continuation of this particular I'm doing a big VHS-c job right now. I just did a video. It's about 11 minutes long, and I needed to switch over to wearing my camera because I need both hands free. So this particular tape, just to recap, will not play smooth in any VCR. Look at it. Now, this needs its heads cleaned, possibly, more than likely. But this is what you get from all these crappy companies, as I say over and over again in my videos on the channel. And just to run this particular tape, no company does this that I'm aware of. They're just handing back trash files like this. And nobody's paying attention. Nobody's watching this stuff because all they have at these big corporate companies are banks of VCRs like this just running into a feed with a small little screen. No one's paying attention. And then the heads are filthy, tapes are going to crap, and they just hand you back junk. Or nothing at all, like Legacy Box. Put stickers on things telling you the tapes are gone to hell in a handbasket. People send them on to me, and I fix them, restore them. Or a lot of the time, they play perfectly fine. The reason they're not reading correctly is because their players are absolutely knackered. Filthy, disgusting, unmaintained. They're raking in millions of dollars, spending millions on ad spend, and they're not. See, look. All right. And so that's unacceptable. For a quality professional transfer company or individual doing this, this is, you need to be doing this. This all comes with the territory of digitizing these old tapes that have been stuck in garages, attics for 30, 40 years, have not been played or touched. And so here we go. I'm going to clean the video head, give that a dousing, and let's see here. So this is the video head. This is what you do. This is like basics. This is like an oil change that's mandatory on a car. Or any basic maintenance. Look at that. I mean, come on. See, that wasn't even a new one, but that's fine. But my life. This is what's happening with all these tapes. They're gumming up the video heads, contaminating them constantly. Yeah, I'm going to get a new chamois tip there. Let's see. And they're gumming up the video heads, and no one's paying attention. No one's maintaining the equipment. It's all mechanical. And you put it in filthy tapes. That's why I clean all the tapes before they go in. Just give them a once over to clean the outside. Give them an air dusting. See, it's still coming off like mad. This must have been some really... I just cleaned this one maybe about 3 days ago. And, oh boy. And this is what happens with all these old tapes, is they are just going to pieces. All right, let's try this now. Let's give this a little... I do have a fan somewhere. It fell on the floor. Oop. Okay, where are we? I mean, you don't want to put where's the old power button? Come on. Where is it? My God. Don't make these things accessible, do they? Where's the bloody power button? Oh, there it is. All right. It's probably dried by now anyway. What a stupid place to put the power button on the inside when you're looking on the outside. Anyway. So give it a little, oopsie. This is fascinating, I'm sure. But, oh, piss off. Whatever. So that's that. Let's just try it. No, still bad. All right. So in this case, the picture isn't absolutely buggered. As in, the heads are clean now, but I've got to adjust the guide paths right here. So my tool, where is my tool? Oh boy, and before I did this video, I should have had my guide path tool on the ready. Where are we? Come on, please, please. Okay, I can hear a tape messing up over there. Oh, where is my guide path tool? Oh, where? Is that it in there? I keep it in a special place. This particular head is so rare, and I just had it. Balls. You can fast forward through this video because where is it? There's another one that's going to crap I can hear, or rewinding. One of the two. Anywho, oh, for flipping hell's sake, where is the... And this is in disarray right now because I've been cleaning stuff and it's been a manic day. That's why I'm still here at this hour. So anyway, I'm going to do it with a screwdriver. This is not the correct tool, but it does do the trick to a point. There we go. I can turn it. So as I'm turning this, what I'm doing is kind of trying to misalign the head with... Yeah, this is... Come on. Now it's black and white. It's kind of a dance sometimes. No. Let's just keep going. Not gonna hurt. Yeah, no. Let's see. Yeah, completely not helping. Oh, fuck. Alright, let's adjust the tracking and... No, I'm not liking it. Here's one here, adjusting the tracking just a tad. There we go, it's back there. I saw a little bit of static. Anyway, I'm gonna have to get back to that. That usually kind of does the trick, but I do have a few other tricks, either taking it to pieces and giving it a clean. Might just do that. Let's just give it a little clean through the old Geneva. And let's see. There we go. All right, so fast forward it. It's going to give it a little clean. You know, you try all these little things to get them to go. Okay, so this one was crap because it just bogged out. Only lasted 21 minutes. Yeah, look. 10 minutes in, and then boom. Look, 10 minutes, and then it just goes stop. Now, if it's done, the tape's done, it's going to say stop, and then it'll just automatically rewind. And then it will say eject when it's done. But look, all this blue screen right here. So where you go through all these shitbox companies and all these other transfer companies, the picture's perfect, and it drops. And then look, they go, oh yeah, you know, you got, like, your tape was done. There's no other content on it. No, it's because the mechanism in the tape shut down the VCR. It can't advance anymore because there's some sort of blockage. But what I do in these instances, that one just went. Did it end? See, this is telltale sign if it's done, okay? Because the counter's no longer reading. It's not 100%, but it's a sign. So I'm going to leave that running because sometimes people, you know, took the camera out, didn't cue it back up again. So what I do in these situations when it has shut down the VCR, kind of give it a little bang here, kind of free things up a bit. I already fast forwarded it, and it rewound itself. So let's do this. Let's start this tape again. It was tape 7, play, and then boom. Oh, fucking hell. Here we go. I mean, welcome to the joys of VHS-c. VHS Compact. So now I've got to start this thing again. They stopped the VCR again. Now shut down the VCR. And then sometimes it gets stuck in the VCR. So another thing to do is maybe put it in a different, it doesn't like that particular adapter. Put it in another adapter. Just put it in another VCR. Try it here, tape 7. Yep. Look at this. That's how it's playing in that VCR. Jesus. This is what happens with all these VHS-c tapes. Okay, I'm going to just go ahead and keep that, and fingers crossed it's going to work. I mean, that's what people think. Like, there's some magical way of doing this, and it all just goes zip, and it's all done. No, it isn't. You have to be thinking and going, right, what are the blind spots here? These tapes are 30 minutes thereabouts. Look, this, okay, there we go. So 28, that's that. I'm going to just check. Because this has been giving me so many issues, I'm going to be checking this. And the thing is with Elgato, you know, until it shows like an icon, like a colored, like a thumbnail, it's not done rendering yet. If you quit this, it's going to, here we go, boom. Now it's rendered. And that's why, yes, lots of different options for capturing, but, and there's trolls galore out there that don't know what the hell they're talking about. It just works for consumer level people that are just wanting a nice quality file that plays, like pops up quick. I say that. Come on. You know, and it just, and you can go that quickly through the whole thing. I mean, that is why the codec and everything's good. Picture quality is good. You can blow it up, you know, all that kind of stuff. Just works. Yes, you can go to the ends of the earth, but time is money and no one is willing to pay jack for this. So it's all a game of time and money and economics. See, look, this tape, wait, hold on, did it rewind? Okay, that's the beginning. So it did rewind. So that's what happens. It goes to the end, it'll rewind itself. I did hear videotapes rewinding when I was at the beginning of the video. So when I was over there, and I could hear it all squealing. The VHS-c rewinding noise, which normally I stop the VCR from rewinding them because it wrecks the VCRs. And then what I do is I take all the information and I name that in the directory and then carry on to the next. So, sorry I can't give you a video on what the hell I'm going to do with that other one. Hold on, I just cleaned it, didn't I? So, let's go back here. That has now rewound. Let's go this way. Okay, so I'm gonna let that rewind and clean the other way and see if that's made a difference. I don't think it will. This showing 11 minutes, counter stopped. There we go, 11 minutes, there we go. And some people are like, oh, you know, like I don't have much stuff on my tapes and you charge by the minute. No, because I just let them roll and look at how much time is here. You know, I mean, I don't even get back to them. If there's footage on them, I'm charging. Unless it's like 10 seconds and it's over and done with. Or if it's blank, or if it's untransferable, or if it's TV crap recordings, that I don't charge. That's tape 18, Seeing as I got the tape here, it says 11/98, November 98. So this is what I do. I name the files. I don't know many companies that name the files. I know Crappy Box and South Tree and Kodak Digitizing, they're all the same company. Do not title the tapes per the chicken scratch. Even if there's no chicken scratch on it, if there's date ranges or if it's clearly Christmas Day, I'll put Christmas Day. So I do a lot of behind the scenes kind of investigation to make sure that everything, you know, it's all there. Even if you don't have it organized, I'm going to do my best to organize it for you. While that's rewinding, got another one done over here. Yeah, that was the one with 13. The counter had stopped, even though it's been going for 43 minutes. I can hear another one rewinding. So you check the footage, all nice and lovely and clean there. Okay. And let's just back that up. There we go. And I trim off any blank at the end, so you're not getting all this blue screen crap, wasting space, which I see with all these crappy companies. They just leave hours and hours of blue screen. Let's see. Let's get this out. I need a clean in there. Okay. Let's see. This has made a difference. Come on. Nope. See, now this alignment's out of work for the next tape. So this is why I never put screws back in on these players, because I'm just taking the lids off so much. Let's try this one here. Just in case. I mean, it is a game of sometimes, other players playing better. And I can hear it.
Clap your hands, Matthew.
All right.
Matthew, look at mommy.
Yeah.
Nice hat.
Not happy with that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to transplant this, take everything open, and then I'm going to put it onto a full-size VHS tape. What I'm suspecting is possibly the mechanism is dragging in there and it's not advancing. I mean, it seems like it's free, but you got to try all these different little techniques to get them to go. Right, that's pretty much everything here. I'm going to sign off. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.